Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to log into WordPress. Whether you are accessing your main domain or a subdomain or subdirectory, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. To log into your WordPress website, open your web browser, enter your site's address, then add /wp-login.php at the end of the URL. For example, if your domain is www.example.com, your login URL will be www.example.com/wp-login.php. Alternatively, you can use /login or /wp-admin. Just to let you know, here we have created a test site using local. That's why our domain is www.example.local. So the login URL will be www.example.local/wp-login.php. On entering this URL, you can easily access the login page. Then enter your username and password and click on the login button. And here you go, you have access to your WordPress dashboard. Again, if your WordPress site is on a subdomain like www.store.example.com, simply add /wp-login.php after your subdomain URL to login. Similarly, if your WordPress site is in a subdirectory or subfolder such as www.example.com/blog, and /wp-login.php after the subdirectory URL. And there you have it. Whether your WordPress site is on your main domain, a subdomain or a subdirectory, logging in is super easy. But what if you forget your WordPress login URL? Don't worry, here are some ways to remember it. The best way to do so is to bookmark your login URL using your browser's bookmark feature. If you are using Chrome, you can quickly click on the star icon. This allows you to access the login page directly without remembering the URL. And what about saving your login credentials? Here are some top tips to ensure you never get locked out of your WordPress site. First, you can use the Remember Me option on the login page. This will save your username and password for up to 14 days, allowing you to remain logged in. Alternatively, you can use a password manager tool like LastPass to securely store your login credentials. What's more, you can get LastPass as a browser extension, so using it is pretty simple. This ensures you always have access to your username and password. And that's all, folks. We hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.